1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of coconut oil, melted, half a cup of maple syrup or agave nectar, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 6 ounces of dark chocolate, melted, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil, for thinning the chocolate. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking tray with parchment paper. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. In another bowl, mix the melted coconut oil, maple syrup, or agave, and peppermint extract. Combine the wet and dry ingredients until a dough forms. Roll the dough into a log and wrap it in parchment paper. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Slice the chilled dough into thin rounds and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are firm. Let them cool on the baking sheet. Melt the dark chocolate and coconut oil together. Dip each cookie into the chocolate mixture, coating both sides. Place the coated cookies on parchment paper, and refrigerate until the chocolate hardens. Your vegan thin mints are now ready. I have left a free recipe for these healthier vegan thin mints in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.